We the best, we the bomb, forget the rest. What's going on? This is JD. And yeah, that the hook should have gone, we the best, we the bomb, forget the rest, and then bomb, bomb, bomb. But this is just constructive criticism. The new Kanye West video. I was just shocked how horrible it is. I mean, and he used this AI generated video, and all the lyrics sound like they were AI generated and repetitive. I mean, they made a video and it's like a kid's video, I guess. Beat was basic and then repetitive with the hook. I mean, and then I saw Kai reacting to it and he was just bobbing his head and it's like, yeah, this is great. I guess the beat was great to him. I don't know. Look, I get it. I like the first two albums from Kanye and some of the third album, and I like a few songs here and there from him. I don't know. I guess we're gonna have to live with this quality of art for a while, or go watch somebody else. Listen to somebody else. Even the comment section was roasting it. Kanye heard Yuno Miles' bars and said, "This is the future of music."